Hello, English 100 class. My name is Alex Sterling. Welcome to Fall Semester 2020. This is your short video on using Canvas because this is an online class, as you know. So when you first logged into Canvas, you go to your dashboard. So it'll look a little different for you because you'll see your classes. This is my dashboard that shows my classes. You'll notice that you have a Canvas course for English 100 and a Canvas course for English 100S. Most of the time the two are combined, so you won't notice the difference, but they are technically separate courses. So there's an English 100S Canvas shell and an English 100 Canvas shell. We will mostly go to English 100, so let's go now. Okay, this is the home page. So every Canvas course has a home page. First thing, this course is asynchronous. That is a fancy word that means we do not meet at a particular time. So you do not have to log into Zoom or go to an online meeting at Tuesday and Thursday at 11. It is asynchronous. That means you do the stuff at your own pace and when you want. You don't have to be there at a particular time. Although we will have optional meetings and we'll have office hours and things like that. So, what is an asynchronous online class? Well, here's the short version. Each week, you go to the home page and you click on the Start Here button, and there will be a module for that week. So the module is just a series of things to do for that week. You have to do them by Thursday every week. So you'll click the Start Here button every week. For this week, we have two modules. We have an Introduction to the Course module, and we have a Week 1 module. Most weeks, there'll just be one module. So there will be homework due, and then you do the module. That's it. So that's the short version for any asynchronous class. You go to the home page, you click on Start Here. You will also notice on the home page that I have my contact info. So here's my email address. Here's the link to call me in Zoom, which means we have a video conference. And I have my office hours. And for decoration, I also put the covers of our two books that we will focus on this semester. Okay. I am going to change a setting real quick to go to student view. That means it'll look more like what it looks like to you. Okay, so here's the home page. And every week you click the Start Here button. So later in the semester, if it's week 10, the Start Here button will take you to the week 10 module. There's 16 weeks. There's one module for each week. Except for this week, there's two modules. All right, let's go to the modules. So you click on it. And this whole thing here is a module. And if you scroll down, you'll see the next module, which is the Week 1 module. Okay, so the way a module works is you click on the first thing, and then you read it, or you do what it says. This is your welcome letter. You got this in your email. And then down here, you click Next. And that's it. You read, you do something, click Next. Sometimes it will have videos like this one, Meet Your Professor. So this is a little video I did about me. Click Next. This is about getting the first book. Again, you click Next after each thing. Very simple. I will try to make it all really clear, but you should be in touch if I'm unclear. If you don't get it, be in touch right away. Okay? And so this is the syllabus. Every college course has a syllabus, which is kind of basic facts about the course. So you read that, you click Next. About English 100S. A discussion means you write stuff and you talk to your classmates here in Canvas. So you click reply, you'll answer the questions, you'll do the things, you'll reply to other people. Every week there'll be at least one discussion where you talk with other people in the class. And of course you click next when you're done. This is more parts of the syllabus. We're going to keep going. Oh, I don't know what that is. Let me know if there's a malfunction. Communication and office hour. So this is really important. Office hours are times that I'm available in Zoom to talk to you. It's going to be really important. Sometimes it'll be required to talk to me. Most of the time you just be in touch when you want to. And all you do is click on that link and we get a little video chat. Here's also my email, and Remind is a way for us to text each other. So you'll read that. So here's a little assignment. So assignments will be submitted in Canvas. So you'll always get some directions. You'll click Submit when you're ready to submit. Pretty simple. I also have resources in here. Like here's various college things about how to get help. Here's some links for technical assistance since we are doing stuff on computers. Okay. So, and I'll show you the week 1 module briefly. Okay. So the week 1 module will be more about really getting going on English 100. So it'll be about the book. It'll be Educated, which is our first book. We'll learn a little bit about the author of the book, how to take notes, and things like that. I will also have some other modules down below. So in Canvas, if you click on modules over here, you'll get to all the modules. And so, for example, I have a module for Essay 1. You don't have to worry about Essay 1 yet, but we will work on it for a long time. So I have this is kind of like a folder for Essay 1 stuff. Okay, so that is your quick intro to Canvas. Definitely be in touch with your questions. Again, the short version is every week you click on the Start Here button. Thanks.